Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by picking the correct snap size and matching cap/post pair so components fit tightly. Once selected, mark the fabric precisely where the snap must sit. Make a small 1/8 hole for woven or 3 mm for leather so the post passes cleanly without stretching. Place the cap on top of the fabric and slide the socket under it, then push the post through into the anvil. This ensures alignment and prevents fabric distortion when you set the first half. Now you use the designated setter tool and a hammer to flare the post and lock the cap to the socket. Hold the setter perfectly perpendicular. Once aligned, deliver 2 to 3 firm, controlled hammer blows rather than many light taps, because consistent force lets the metal crimp evenly. After each blow, make sure the pieces remain concentric. If not, stop and reseat. For delicate or thin materials, put a wood backing under the work so the force spreads and the fabric doesn't tear. Finish by installing the mating stud or press piece opposite the first half using the same perpendicular setup and measured blows, because consistency prevents weak connections. Once done, test the snap 5 to 10 times to confirm a clean click and no side-to-side movement. Make sure it seats fully without deforming the fabric. If the snap is loose, off-center, or the cap crushed, remove it by punching the post out and replace with a new set. This is faster and stronger than trying to recrimp a damaged snap.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.